Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Cadillac ATS CUE screen. First, gather your tools, including plastic trim removal tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and a T15 Torx bit. This repair addresses common issues like cracking or unresponsiveness, making your infotainment system fully functional again. It's a precise job, but entirely manageable with the right approach and a bit of patience. Let's get started on restoring your CUE system. Now, let's begin the disassembly. Using your plastic trim tools, carefully pry around the edges of the CUE screen bezel to release the clips. Once the trim is off, you'll see the mounting bolts. Use your T15 Torx bit to remove these, typically 4 of them. After the bolts are out, gently pull the CUE unit forward and disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or clips. With the CUE unit removed, it's time to replace the actual touchscreen. You'll need to carefully separate the old, faulty screen from the main CUE module housing. This often involves removing several small screws and gently prying the screen away. Once the old screen is off, position your new replacement touchscreen and secure it. Make sure all ribbon cables are properly seated and locked into their connectors for a reliable connection. This is a critical step for functionality. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Carefully reconnect all the electrical connectors to the back of the CUE unit, ensuring each one clicks into place. Slide the CUE unit back into its opening and secure it with the T15 Torx bolts. Replace the surrounding trim, pressing firmly until all clips engage. Before fully buttoning up, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the new screen for touch responsiveness and display quality. Enjoy your fully functional CUE system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.